What's up, Minitruck? You're not gonna believe what happened to my camera.
It's Samsquanch, trekking across North America for generations now.
Mama got a new car, Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. She did it. Yeah, I moved the SE out here finally, right? The one that was in the garage. My kid took his Jeep today, and I put the GT in here finally, where it should have been. Can't believe my kid used his Wrangler today. I guess because it's supposed to be 50. Only took 2 winters to get it in here. And I still got the extra 350 motor there I got from Jeffro. And I got the old motor out of the C3. And now his C3 has been retired to out here. I told him he's gonna have to get a car cover. And the old CJ just sitting, rusting away, fading away. What are you looking at, kitty? Turn the battery on. I got a dilemma I gotta show you guys. I was mowing yesterday, and I have a camera down there that I keep watching game. Well, it's completely gone, but my solar panel's still there. So I'm like, what the heck? I'll show you. Is it a Samsquanch?
Literally hundreds of sightings all across North America.
Oh, just pushing that button, just a tap, tap, tap-a-roo. What a huge difference for starting. Because don't forget, we got a draw-through carburetor on the supercharger. It's got a long tube to have atomized gas get all the way into the intake, where the valves and everything are. What's that say? Insert TF card. Then I take it out and never put it back. I think it's there. Yeah, it's there. Huh. Weird. Maybe I need a new card. I'll take you down and show you. So I gotta clean my windshield. So I mowed down here. It was literally tie wrapped to this. And my solar cord was laying on the ground right there. So that would mean that hopefully the camera would have been right there, right? It's nowhere to be found. Oh, there it is. Oh man, I doubt it's any good now. Oh man, I didn't see that yesterday. Crap. Brought a little net. Don't look like maybe there wasn't any water got in there. If this thing still works, that'd be a heck of a video for Real Link. Let's pull this card out and see what's on it. Let's turn this back on. Huh, the light's on. Whoops, what's going on, Gauge Mouse? Nope. Not yet. I'm gonna let it bake in the sun a little longer. It was underwater for a little while. It got motion. Like a fish must have hit it, because then it flipped it upward. I'll show you that video. And that was actually the last video after it hit the water. Hey kitty, do you see the big Samsquanch down by the pond? I'll put the last few videos that are on that camera before it went in the drink. Let's see what the bear was up to before it actually ripped it off there. And some goats.
Okay.
You're not supposed to be on the road.
Taking our time. What are you talking about, mister?
You gonna ram me?
Ram it. See them looking at you like...
I know. It's like this is my road.
What are you doing here?
My road. Get. He's still walking down the road.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.